Hello students, I hope you're all having a fantastic Monday and that you had a great weekend. Today for our Grammar Monday activity, we are going to be looking at more homophones, and those are where, and we're. They all kind of sound alike. So we're, W-E-R-E, is a contraction. Where, W-H-E-R-E, is a location. Were, W-E-R-E, is the past of to be, and where covers pretty much everything else. We're, W-E-R-E. The explanation of this is that this word is a contraction of we are. Example, we are getting very close to Christmas. So we are getting very close to Christmas. Where, this word has two meanings. It can refer to clothing, accessories, or equipment that you carry or have on your body. And then it also can refer to something being excessively used or exhausted. Example, Santa wears a red jacket and black boots. And the other example is making all the presents really wears the elves out. Were versus where. W-E-R-E. Explanation here. This word is a past tense form of are. A-R-E. Example, the presents were waiting under the tree. And then where, explanation, this word is used when asking a question that's related to a location or giving directions to a location. Example, where is Rudolph? Example 2, the reindeer don't know where to go. Let's look at this example. W-H-E-R-E is an adverb relating to a place/position. Example, I know where you left it. Were, W-E-R-E, is the plural past tense of the verb are. We were playing outside. We're, W-E-R-E, is a contraction of we are. We are going to the park. And then where, W-E-A-R, is used when talking about clothing. I don't know what to wear. Let's go and take a look at our grammar form today. Our Google form today. I've made everything Christmas themed today, so these questions are also Christmas themed. Alright, directions after watching my instructional video. Complete the following form. Again, definitions. We're, W-E-R-E. This word is a contraction of we are. Where, W-H-E-R-E. This word is used when asking a question that's related to a location or giving directions to a location. Where, as in you wear clothing, or also that something is excessively used or exhausted. And then were, W-E-R-E, is the past tense form of are. So let's take a look at the first one. We'll go over the answer. Buddy the elf blank a green outfit with yellow tights. Buddy the elf wears. Okay, he's got it on his body. Alright, there are 10 questions in total worth 10 points. Please get this done by midnight tonight. As always, email me if you have any questions, and have a good one.